Hello! Hello! Welcome back to another video with me, Aziza. Today I'm going to share with you a snippet, like a thing, of the new Pelikan Edelstein Ink of the Year for 2018, and this is Olivine. And what I forgot to do was I wanted to figure out what olivine is exactly. Okay, so the mineral olivine is a magnesium iron silicate with the formula Mg2+ Fe 2+, 2, okay, you know what? It doesn't matter what the mineral formula is because I can't read that out properly. It is a neosilicate or orthosilicate, and it's a common mineral in Earth's subsurface, but weathers quickly on the surface. So Pelikan Edelstein is the gem, and they name each ink after a gem or mineral, and so you got like standards like the onyx and sapphire and topaz, and there's like special ones, which was tourmaline and amber and amethyst and aquamarine, and this year is olivine. Yay! Yay! Okay, that's creepy. So Pelikan International sent this to me to share with you. I was not paid to do this. I just want to share it with you. So I will do that right now. Okay, so we got the box. Standard box. Usually it comes with two little foam blocks to keep the bottle in place. I took those out because I hate them. So sorry. I understand the point of them, but it's just wasteful packaging to me. I'm weird. This is the bottle. It's quite attractive. It has a wide mouth, so in that regard it's easy to fill from, but as you can see it has a fairly shallow body, so once you get to a certain point it's harder to fill from, and when that happens I either pour it into an ink sample vial or I use syringes and stuff, but anyway, you don't care about that. You just want to see the details. So there is olivine written on the bottom. I have swabbed it on my coloring ink testing book. There you go, you can see the color there. Yeah, what do you think? You like it? Yay, nay? Okay, so of course I had to put it in a Pelikan, and I had pulled out all my Pelikans to see which one it would look best in, and I had kind of narrowed it down to like these and then one more brown tortoise. But I actually ended up putting it in my M800 brown tortoise because this has an italic broad on it and I thought it would look nice. So, I don't know, like, what do you think? Don't those look nice together? Maybe not, hey? Like, maybe I should have put it in this one. Yeah, probably. Well, I didn't, so... sorry, that was weird. Here's my notebook. Here's where I have written a sample. It's quite attractive. It's a nice deep green. It definitely can shade. It does have sheen, but it's like a dark green sheen, so it doesn't really stand out as a different color, but it's quite nice. I think it's well behaved so far. Pretty color. It looks good in the Pelikan, obviously. So that's actually pretty much it, but I'm going to switch angles and then just do like a quick writing sample so you can see what it looks like as it comes out of the nib, and just to see. So let's do that. Thank you to Pelikan International for this bottle of ink, and I'll see you in a minute. Well, you'll see my hands in a minute. Okay, bye. Okay, ink passionistas, let's take a look at Pelikan Edelstein Olivine. Olivine? Olivine? Oh, I never even thought about that. Okay, this is the bottle. As I said, I really like that they have this like glass chunk at the bottom. It looks really nice. So let me just show you that it is a mouth that is easy to fill from. I think I still have ink left, but I actually used quite a bit making a mess. So let me just re-ink. We'll do that right on the spot. Super easy to ink this pen up because, as I said, the mouth is really wide. Okay, I'm gonna grab a Kleenex or a paper towel I have here. I usually use a towel, but this was within reach. Okay, now, let me just recap this. Oh, I love this pen. Oh my god. Okay, this is the swab. So if we take a look up close, it's got quite a bit of shading. Goes from like a light, medium, dark, and then very dark. Has a little bit of sheen, but it's like a dark green sheen, so it doesn't really pop, as I said. But there we go. And if we take a look at the handwriting, again, there's some shading, there's some sheen, but it's pretty nice. I think it's a really nice color. I don't have a lot of greens like this, so it's actually quite unique to my collection. I'm just gonna zoom in a little, and then we will just do like just some short writing, just so you can see it. maybe up here. Hello. I'm writing and watching through the camera, and there's just like a split-second lag, so it's a bit difficult and confusing. This is Pelican. Pelican. I think it's a really nice color. What do you think? Do you like it? Like, does it appeal to you? There's, I know they have the Jade, which is a lot more greenish blue, and the Aventurine, which I actually don't think I really use, but I think it's a lot more green, where this is like this is an olive. So, that's actually all. I just wanted to show you, give you a quick writing sample. Nice color. That's about it. Lovely. I think I already wrote lovely, but I'm gonna write it again. Lovely. Thank you guys for watching. I hope this was kind of fun, like just to give you a snippet. Thanks again to Pelican for sending this. If you would like to see more, you can follow me on Instagram and Facebook and Twitter, because I will post there. And that's all. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked, please like and subscribe, because that's really great and I would really appreciate it. Okay, that's all. Bye.